The 2012 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, remote vehicle start, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.